Ugh. It's making me feel like I'm scared of heights. Hi guys, I'm that girl biker and I video my life on two wheels and bring you guys along for the journey. And today, I thought I'd show you my new bike. It's a little bit tall, but we'll be fine, we'll manage. It'll be all right. I can do a bit of off-roading and go wild. No, I'm joking. This is my dad's bike. If you haven't guessed, my dad's a lot taller than me, considerably taller than me. And we are going on a ride out together, which will be the first ride out we've had in about 4 years. So my dad first went on a ride with me when I'd just passed my test. About a year after I'd passed my test on the Jigsaw, and we just went locally and it was really nice, but all the timings of us being able to go on a bike ride together just haven't aligned. So I says, right, that's it, we're going for a ride tomorrow. Fingers crossed for the weather. We're going for a ride tomorrow, and he announced that his bike needs a service. So if I wanted to go for a ride, I've got to service his bike. I then asked, when was your bike last service? And the answer was, I don't remember. So yeah, that's a great start. 2016 Kawasaki versus. It's got 4,500 miles on it, so it's basically like a new bike. And although it's a little bit mucky, it is absolutely immaculate. Like, it's a great bike, and he absolutely loves it. On the ride out that we do, I will film it, and we can talk about some of the bikes that he's had, because he's had some crazy bikes. So that'll be pretty cool to hear. So quick service, wash, and then we can go for a ride. So we have got the red arrows with us today. There's 7 of them out and they keep going. They might be able to see me now that I'm sat on this tall bike. This is how you get off a Kawasaki versus. Anyway, stop being stupid. Look at the beast. So he normally has a top box on because he's done quite a few like long distance rides. He's done like the Scottish whiskey run or something on it. And he has been riding through winter, impressively so. It's just started to bloody rain. Adjustable screen. Oh, hang on, let me show you this. So the suspension, you just turn that. So it's got soft and hard. You literally just adjust that, and that adjusts your suspension, which is phenomenal. How easy is that? Anyway, back to the adjustable screen. That's the only ding he's got, and that's because he forgot he had a disc lock on it and went forward. But I would say it's in pretty good condition. The chain's looking a bit manky. Are we betting there's a lot of movement? Oh, that's not too bad. I thought that was just going to go slap. So I'm actually thinking / hoping that with this style of bike, it's going to be super easy to service. Because it's not like a sports bike where everything's tucked away. The only thing that might be a little bit of a pain in the butt will be the air filter. Oh, see, that's easily accessible. The oil filter, I'll show you. Look how easy that is. The exhaust goes around it. It's like they planned it. It's like they thought, that girl biker's going to be doing an oil change on his bike. We're going to put the filter in a super accessible place. Now for the sump. Don't tell me that they've done this and then they've put the sump up the other side. How would they do that? Oh, I've got leaves in my hair. Oh, I think that's it. Yeah, I found it. It's at the other side. So So I've just whipped the side panel off on this side. We're going to lift the side stand up a little bit, and the sump is there. So you should know by now, I didn't remember to bring the oil pan, so we're bagging it again, which is fine. It worked a treat last time. I have got bottles that I'll just put it in after, but foresight and all that. The engine is slightly warm. The engine, lucky that didn't hurt. I've just smeared foundation on his bike. The engine is I can't believe that happened, like what an idiot. So the engine is warm, so the engine oil should flow. Oh my god. It's just like a day in a life. That's not as toasty looking as mine was. Don't forget to change your sump plug. Not your sump plug, your crush washer on your sump plug. Oh yeah, that's not as bad actually. It's a bit foamy. Is that just because it's dropping from height? It's not actually a bad colour at all. A little bit dark, but nothing crazy. Always do your checks. Looking at the colour, the consistency. If there's any debris, any little bits and pieces. Smell of it, what does it smell like? That's that drained. So with a closer look, now that it's settled a little bit, the foaminess just sort of looks like as the oils hit the pan, as opposed to anything to be concerned about, because obviously bubbly oil or oil with foam on top can be a couple of warning signs, but I think we're fine with this. The colour and thing's normal, it's translucent, it's not milky. So I think it is just as it's hit the bowl, so that's all good. Next up, so I'm just going to whack the oil filter off. So the heavens decided to absolutely open on me, because why would they not? So I've got the sumps back on, new oil filters on. I'm not going to do the air filter just yet. While the bike's absolutely soaking, I'll just go around and clean it, because that's like logic. And it's not often I use logic, so I'm going to use it now. This is my opportunity to use logic. So clean the bike. And I've brought some more cleaning products with me, so that's good.
Looking good.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
You're not charging me.
I'll charge you a lot of money.
Oh, yeah, you will. Well, don't wrap it, will you?
Wrap it pink.
Yeah. Just think when I come back from work and wrap it bloody pink.
Just spray it.
Spray your bloody bike.
Yeah. Chain time. So a lot of people hate doing the chains, but I actually find it super easy. It's one of my favourite parts of cleaning a bike. So the brush I'm using, Ride It Right. Of course, see, look straight away how much better that's come up. I think I enjoy it because it's such a difference. That's why I like doing them. This is going to be like the blind leading the blind, isn't it?
What, me sorting you out? Don't break that one.
Whole thing just snapped off.